Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix HellDivers 2 crashing at startup on PC. First of all, check minimum system requirements. On OS, Windows 10/11, 64-bit, CPU, Intel i7 4790, Ryzen 5 1500X, GPU GTX 1050 Ti or RX 470 or better, RAM 8 GB minimum, DirectX version 12, and disk space 100 GB and more. Then run as administrator, go to your Steam library, right click HellDivers 2, go to manage, browse local files, right click the .exe file, click on properties, compatibility, check run this program as administrator, click apply and OK, then try launching. Then disable Steam overlay, go to Steam, go to library, right click HellDivers 2, go to properties under the general tab, uncheck enable the Steam overlay, relaunch the game. Then update GPU drivers. Use NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin to update your graphic drivers. You can also download drivers manually. Then verify game files, open Steam, go to library, right click HellDivers 2 properties, go to installed files tab, click verify integrity of game files, wait for Steam to fix corrupted or missing files, then disable the background apps, turn off or close Discord overlays, Razer Cortex, Game Booster, overclocking tools, and antivirus. Then update DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Download and install DirectX Runtime, Microsoft Visual C++ for 2022. Then force DirectX 11. If your system has issues with DirectX 12, in Steam right click HellDivers 2, go to properties and the launch options, enter div-dx11, launch the game again. Then reinstall the game, uninstall HellDivers 2 from Steam, reboot your PC, reinstall to a different drive, try launching fresh with no mods or overlays.